Inverted electric bike. Tools 19mm wrench, pliers, flat screwdriver. Remove the chain first. Move the rear derailleur downward. Cut the cable ties with pliers. After removing the cable tie, disconnect the motor wires. Use a 19mm wrench to remove the nuts on both sides. Put the nut and the stopper aside first. Place the removed parts separately on the other side. Use a flat blade screwdriver to pry off the screws on both sides of the motor. Remove the motor wheel. After replacing the inner tube, you can reinstall the motor wheel. Install the hooked gaskets on both sides, hook direction downward. After installing the gasket, place the motor horizontally downward and then gently lower the motor wheel. There is a hook pad at this position. You need to pry it with a screwdriver. There is a disc brake here. It needs to be positioned correctly. Pay attention to the disc brake. This location. After installation, please check whether it is installed correctly. When the hooks at these two positions are as shown in the video, it means the installation is correct. Install washers and nuts. Install the bracket first, then the washer and nut. Use a 19mm wrench to tighten the nuts on both sides. Put the chain back along the rear derailleur and chain plate. After installation, shake the pedal by hand to return the chain to its original position. The last step is to install the motor wire. Align the left and right arrows of the motor wires. Then plug in the motor wire and lock the nut. After installing the motor wire, use our cable ties to secure the motor wire. Trim away excess trim. Complete installation.